Discovering your lip shape can help you enhance your natural beauty, as there are several distinct types, including full, round, wide, fuller, upper or lower, narrow, downturned, and heart-shaped lips. Each shape has unique characteristics and can be accentuated with specific makeup techniques. For instance, full lips are desirable and can be highlighted using a matching lip liner and bold lipstick, while round lips benefit from outlining and matte shades to add definition. Wide lips can be balanced with nude matte colors, and fuller upper or lower lips can be enhanced with contrasting shades. Narrow lips can appear fuller with overlining and lighter shades, while downturned lips can be uplifted using specific liner techniques. No matter what your lip shape is, you can enhance, embrace, and celebrate your unique lip shape.